Grasje. Ja, kunnen wij hier aan de berg? Ja, dus consumeren hier wel. Ja.
Ja, al die gele bremmen zijn er.
Ja.
Jongens hebben een klein bosje.
Nee, we hebben een hotel. Hotel. Is your body full frame or no? Staat ook de buik?
No, dat niet.
Ja, oké. Wij zagen die buik van asfalt. I made it really long. In de natuur.
They will transport the bags back to the southern coast in flax bags called kitties. They also use this area to access the lower alpine passes to get to the west coast of New Zealand, where they will go to the rivers to gather panama or greenstone, which they use widely for weapons, jewellery and for tools, of course, as well.
Papa, can I snitch up? Yes. Can I snitch?
Okay, yeah, just keep looking at the front. Yeah, the worst thing is to go down to the back of the boat and sit down like this. Well, just keep looking, you know, like, you forget about getting seasick.
Dots. Little dots on the rocks.
It's time to see them.
Lying on the rock. They lying on the rock?
Well, you've got to go a bit nearer.
Then?
Oh yeah. Well, Jia-Ying, Sila will be very happy to see them. Yeah.
Rightio folks, so here's the New Zealand fur seals. And just down the bottom here, we've got a couple of ones fighting, although we're just fighting. So this here folks is a seal colony, and we're actually just coming into the breeding season. Well, the breeding season is almost in full swing at the moment. So basically when we're looking in front of us, we're seeing lots of seals that are quite small. Can you smell them? You see them, they're quite strong, aren't they?
Yeah.
But we're seeing lots of seals that are roughly the same size and quite small here. And
Yeah.
then if you look up on top there, you can see the odd breeding just in the water. There it is.
Oh, yeah, a dolphin.
There's just a seal in the water down here. That's why I was breaking the water just there.
You see the tiny little dots sticking out. I mean, that like semicircle kind of things, black kind of things. I saw one. Hold on tight.
Okay, bye.
Huh?